What if being home alone wasn't fun anymore? Traps are set, the house is ready, but this time the intruders aren't. The only danger: survive the night in a chaotic game of tricks.
I forgot one small thing.
Have yourself
I've a terrible feeling.
Christmas.
Did you lock up?
Yeah.
Yourself be light.
Do we set the timers on the lights?
What else could we be forgetting?
Our troubles will be ours.
Kevin!
Home alone.
This part is about creating and controlling the player. First show the character with its image, score and lives, then add animation and action like walking, running, jumping and attacking. Manage the score and lives during the game, and a second player using the same function. Finally, creating a sample menu to show the character clothes and controlling buttons.
This task adds puzzle system to the game. Create puzzle with missing object or shadow matching and generate them randomly. Allow the player to move pieces to the correct position and add a timer with animation. Display success or failure message at the end.
This part creates the minimap system in series and display a minimap for different levels. Update the minimap automatically according to player position. Implement perfect pixel collision with platforms inside the background, image and bounding box collision. For moving or destructible, create background animation. After collision, finally implement save and load game menus so the player can continue and game later.
This task is about the game environment. Create and display the background with different platform types such as fixed, moving, or destructible platforms for multiple levels. Add scrolling in all 4 directions. Implement split screen mode for multiplayer.
This task is about creating one enemy and one player in the game. First we initialize, then display both characters, then add movements for the enemy and the player or animations. Then we implement 2 collisions. First collision between the enemy and the player, which affects the lives of the enemy, and the second collision between the player and the item star in my task, which affects the score of the player. Then we add life bars and enemy status like the enemy is alive or defeated.
Quiz system in the game. When the player clicks on quiz, a random question appears with 3 choices, A, B, and C. The timer animation starts during the question.